Okay, finally I have to show you how to repair, because when I change battery, calculator is not working. So I think this problem is or red cable or black cable, that's the contact is damaged or something like this. So let's get to dismantle this calculator. So let's get together. Come on, check it. What happened there? So, as you can see, the black one is here, red one is here. So it means that it should be working, but it's not working. What is strange? It's really strange, because everything is fine. So what does it mean? It means that my new battery are wrong. So I have to need to buy the new battery, because this my new battery aren't good. I hope that I've damaged something, but it looks like everything is okay. When I still don't working. So the problem is here. No, problem is in the battery. When I keep it, still nothing. Still nothing. Okay, so I return back it, and we know now that we need to change, or we need to buy the new battery. So it's normal. Then I will write in the comment if finally calculator working. So be careful when you will change battery, because it's really strange. It's really strange for me. And these screws are really very small. So let's start with this one. This one. Oh. Now this one. Don't understand what happened there. So it's just a battery. Last one. Okay, just cover. Oh, but that is wrong. So thank you for watching. You saw how to dismantle and mount the battery back. We now know that the problem is battery, so I need to buy a new one. And calculator is fine and ready for the using. And don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next video. Bye.